Hey, to charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 by using other smartphone, for sure you can do this in the two ways. The first one, you can actually use the wired cable. So in my case, I will have to use the double USB-C cable, and the first end I have to plug into my Pixel 7 Pro, and the second end for sure I have to plug straight into the USB-C port of the S24 or S24 Plus. It looks actually the same. And as you can see right now, my S24 is actually charging. Also, we can find this information in the right upper corner. And the only thing that you have to do is to charge this second phone to the higher level than your S24. So as you can see, my Pixel is actually on the 86% and the S24 is on the 51. So that's actually the first way, the wired method. The second method is also very simple. On this phone that you are going to use to charge, you will have to actually get this function battery share. So when you enable this feature, you can actually treat your phone as a wireless charger. So now when I'm gonna put S24 on my Pixel 7 Pro like this, as you can see, the smartphone is also charging with the wireless method. There we go, and that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.